Hey, so today we're talking about the flap T, fast T, or tap T. Different names, but they all mean the same thing. But what is this tap T and when do we use it? Well, we actually have four situations when this happens, and I'm gonna show you all of them so you can learn them all. But first, what is this tap T? Well, the tap T is nothing more than that T sound we find in butter, for example. Notice that we don't say butter, we say butter. We simply tap the tip of the tongue on the gum ridge when pronouncing it. That's why we call it tap T. This tap T situation can happen with one or two T's. It doesn't matter. So this can happen when T comes between two vowels. For example, water, butter, batter. It can also happen before an L, as in little or bottle. It can also happen after an R, as in party, 40. And there's something very important here that you have to remember. This only happens if the part of the word we have to use the tap T is not emphasized. For example, notice we say batter. So the first syllable is emphasized. We don't say batter. Take this word for example. Since the syllable with the T is emphasized, we have to pronounce the T as a regular T. So we say attack, not attack. Got it? Now, there's one last thing I want to show you. We can also use this tap T sound to connect words. So if we have two words and the first word ends in a vowel plus T and the next word begins with a vowel, we can use the tap T here. It's just like that between vowels rule. For example, if we have it is, we can connect using the rule I told you. So instead of it is, it becomes it is. Same thing with get up or wait a minute. It's not that hard, is it? Now I have a challenge for you. Can you give me one example when we have two words and we can connect them using the tap T? Let me know your answer in the comments, and I really hope this was helpful. I'll see you next time.